Jari Mayam. My name is Swapnil. Welcome to my friend's channel. Today is the third day. Today is the checkout day, and right now it's 5:30 in the morning. So we just night yesterday we just cross-checked and spoke with the reception team here in the hotel. They also told we have a very beautiful beach nearby, around 5 to 10 minutes walking.
5 to 10 minutes.
5 to 10 minutes walking. So we thought before the checkout we'll
Beach
get
का नाम क्या है?
The beach name is Palawan.
Palawan Beach. Yeah.
Around 7 to 9 minutes walk from here.
Yeah.
So we thought before checkout we'll explore the beach and if possible see the sunrise from the beach. Let's explore.
See, till now, I mean, yeah.
Sun has not risen yet.
हौजिक ꯄꯨꯡ ꯃꯝꯃꯤꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ.
This चलो दोस्तों चलते हैं पलावन बीच पे आपको लेके चलते हैं एंड वन मोर डिटेल वी हैव फॉर नेक्स्ट इंस्टेंस हियर एट अ होटल आल्सो Amara Sanctuary. If in case
Hotel name is
Amara Sanctuary.
Amara Sanctuary.
If in case you are not able to bring the currency exchange, you can do it in the hotel lobby as well. So no
All the
problem
facilities are available here for Indian currency also, and automatically cash come out from here. Okay, so let's go.
चलो दोस्तों लेके चलते हैं आपको पलावन.
Okay, आज का vlog start हो रहा है from my friend Swapnil. Okay, and let's see.
As you can see guys, no sunrise here. We are going to reach the beach before the sunrise happens.
It's look like we are going out middle of the night because we didn't sleep from last 2-3 days properly.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go. Our hotel lobby area is very beautiful यार. अरे इस वाले का नाम क्या रहता है?
Coconut.
नहीं कोकोनट नहीं है. तो any idea?
वो
ताड़ी. Okay. ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯥꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯣꯀꯣꯅꯠ ꯃꯛꯁꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯊꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯆꯤꯟ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯌꯣꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯎꯗꯨꯅꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯐꯖꯩ ꯁꯥ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯐꯥꯎ ꯅꯣꯡꯉꯥꯟꯗꯧꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯑꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯈꯔ ꯉꯥꯜꯂꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯦ from मोइन सिदे हैवने सिदे पार्किंग एरिया दे go to left. Huh? Left and then downstairs आएगा. Okay, so let's go. It's look like middle of the night. Yeah.
Midnight exploration looks like we are going in dead of the night.
Definitely.
So silent here. Not a soul, not a person we can see. No soul visible. Just two of us exploring Singapore in the middle of the night.
The road, it's very good, huh?
Yes, the roads are good.
Roads are very, very good.
And well maintained as well.
Definitely, this is Singapore.
No bumps on the road, no potholes on the road.
Yes. Yeah.
One advice, if you have time, you have the option of renting a bicycle and you can explore the whole Sentosa Island because it's very small.
Yes.
Even the whole Singapore is not huge. If you have time and if you want to explore Singapore intimately, which you want to touch each and every place, the best option is just rent a bicycle.
Yeah.
And you can travel aram se, you can you can go through each ups and downs because the roads are also so nice.
Okay.
Very beautiful roads. And you have dedicated cycling lanes as well.
Yes.
So no problem, you can travel aram se, no disturbance also, no pressure, no traffic and headache things.
ज़्यादा अंधेरा है यहाँ पे.
For example, if this is a road, there is a dedicated cycling track available on most of the roads. So renting a cycle if you have time and if you want to explore the Sentosa Island and the whole Singapore, renting a cycle will be the best. Exploration is successful. We took that Bhutia Rasta and we now reduced our travel time by 3 minutes. Now we're directly on the road instead of taking the circle around the slope. We took direct shortcut here, and now we are on the main road going on the Palawan. This road directly goes to Palawan now.
The straight one,
And
or
we can
over
go
here?
from here also. Let's see this building. This aircraft nose is pointing.
Yeah, it's look like aircraft.
Look like something because the aircraft is there.
But this place is awesome, yeah. Singapore is awesome. Sentosa it's awesome, super awesome.
Palawan Kids City. Okay, we have a Malaysia Airlines aircraft parked here
Woo!
as an attraction.
Yeah, wow. For airline or aircraft lover, dedicated to those who love aircraft.
Kurumjari Mayam, as you know, remember dosto, we were exploring in the night, going for the beach, Palawan. While going across, we just came across the Malaysian Airlines aircraft.
Yes.
You recent incident, one of the aircraft from Malaysian Airlines which was gone missing, Boeing 787 aircraft.
Yes.
Flight number I do not know, subject to correction, we'll update you later. The aircraft went missing while the aircraft was airborne, and later it was found out the aircraft has crashed in the sea, and all the passengers were found dead. And this
But
incident,
this news is not confirmed, no?
this is confirmed news.
This is not
This is
confirmed?
confirmed news. Only the aircraft debris were never found, but the plane was gone missing, and with the whole passengers, it was belonging to this Malaysian Airlines only.
Yeah.
You can see the aircraft here.
This is the one of the aircraft, Malaysian aircraft. Okay, so this is very surprising for us.
Yes.
So we just saw while we are searching the beach.
We found one more spot.
Yes, okay. So the place is Palawan Kids City. I think it's some kind of some fun place in Sentosa Island. So let's go.
As we discussed right now, it is night. It is closed.
Yes.
We are just going to the beach
Yes.
before sunrise.
Oh, ये रहा लिखा हुआ है. Yeah, it's written the Palawan Sentosa. But यार आधी अंधेरा है, अभी क्या दिखेगा हमें?
Yengo ma'am, we have reached Palawan beach right now. As you can see, this is the beautiful beach. This exact location is Palawan Beach Cove Point. As you can see, that is the Palawan Island. Right now it is very difficult to see because it is almost 6:25, but sun has not risen up. You can see it is pitch dark. Guess you can see the moon also right now.
moon दिख रहा है.
Let's wait. We'll try to give you the beautiful sunrise if possible. If we can, let us see from where the sunrise happens.
Yes.
By that time, you can listen to the beautiful waves, beautiful sounds coming from the beach. Quite very relaxing it is.
But the benefit to coming early, it's
The whole beach is empty.
yeah,
We are
it's,
the owners of the whole beach. No crowd.
yes.
No.
There is no disturbance
No
sounds
disturbance.
coming from background, right?
Just you and the beautiful crashing wave sounds. So peaceful and so relaxing. Very nice.
Okay, swimming is not allowed due to some security reason, but it's look like awesome.
Just hear on the waves, just focus on the sounds and feel all your problems dissolving.
Hello everyone. Finally, ako'y mangan thole. Ako'y pung 3:30 helabanebako. Ado mangan thole. Ado ay keno mo utkeba. Sigi beach se Palawan beach ka ore ako'y imanam na sudum haigre ko. So sirida ako'y si fencing tawide. Why this fencing is happening? Why is something happen? Just because of sirida si layeba to. Wildlife rescue site ni ngayon. Sirida ako'y turtle ako'y sea turtle do. Ado do lakpo maleba ko. और सी टर्टल दो अकोई लागा अकोई मरुम गुम को पा के ना दुम तोरम याय अदो सिदा मी कनाम तो लेटर हंगनिंगाय दि हम तो ऑप्शन दि लेटर को अदुबो केनो तो अदुबो यावने ꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯇꯦꯜ ꯔꯤꯖꯣꯔꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯩꯅꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯃꯅꯥꯛꯇ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯅꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯜꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯩꯀꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯐꯝꯅꯕ ꯅꯥꯏꯠꯇ ꯀꯩꯀꯥ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯝꯅꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯌꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯣꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯕ꯭रीꯐ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯒꯦꯀꯣ एक ब्रीफ सेंटोसा हाइजे सेंटोसा हाइरिबा आइलैंड से अखोइगी अखोइगी थाइनेगी मतमदा थाइनेजे क्याम थाइनेनोदि अदुदि आइजु खंगजद्रे अदो अदुगी मतमजुदा अखोइगी मिलिटरी बेस कैम्प तेन हाइरमेबा अदो मिलिटरी मोइजिंदो चखिबोगी मतुंगदा मोइना सिजे आइलैंड मचा अमनेको सराउंडेड इसिंग लोइना कोइसलिनेबा अदो अदुइदा मिलिटरी चक्र मतुंगदा टूरिस्ट प्लेस सेमगेना मोइना गवर्नमेंट अदुमाय तौर सेमखिबने हाय आई केगुमा लालगदि करेक्शन तौबिरको कमेंट सोइना हाइबिरमो अदो गरांदि लाउबे खनाउजु याद्रि अदो चलसी येंगसी हाइदि मोइना मिलिटरी कैम्प ओइरमगसु मोइना खुसेमजे यामिना बेम फजगरे अदुगा नेचुरल गाता मक्ति नत्ति मोइसेको अदो मैन मेड ने खरदि अदो येंगसी हाइदि ngसागे अखोइ मम्बगी अखोइना कैमरा शूट तौदबने हौजिगी टाइमिंग से 6:45 right 6:45 ओइरे सिगैनि what is this सिजे होना कइनो याम फजै याम फजा वांदा अदो सिदु ताइ वा अदो खोइ हुजि चकदि पलावन बीच की क्वाइदि मेन अट्रैक्शन मीने याम चना मफम साइट सीन तौफम मफम दने वो चतै जाय तो ममांग दि ब्रिज अदो केनोम दा हाइजोगेने मयाम अखोइगी थाइना अखोइगी दिनेश नगा कुमिंगाय मतमगी सिंगापुर गायनागा अखोइ इसै अमगा लेगिबदो अदुगी मफमदो हाइफेट अदुगी साइजि योमदोदि माले आई मफमदि खंगजद्रेको सेंटोसा दने मोइ सेंटोसा काय दन चपनो खंगदे सो नाउ लेट्स गो असि ब्रिज सेमति येंगोसि सुम लेट्स गो मयाम को it's early morning अदुबु हुजे होने हुमांगे होने ताबा होरे हम फजना हरि हम साय बसेजिदा को अदो खोइ सिगी ब्रिज चटकेना तौबने अदो ऑलरेडी सिजे कोई थिंजन लेरमे हाइदि मागी टाइमिंग लेबा सिगी मथकजे अदो असि मथकता सि मोइ कारगा येंगिजे अखोइगी सी पुरा सिदि ओपन सी लोइन उइबको अदुगी व्यू दुने अदो लास्ट इजसला टर्टल मालु रे इदि आदिजे ओदि खाने यार इबे आई टर्टल मालू रे सिजे टर्टल ले जा मोइना साइन बोर्ड को थेत पनिनको बट वो टर्टल नहीं है शायद
Beautiful sunrise.
मयाम सिगी बीचने को अखोइ ngसाइ हेक लाकपदुदा मम्बगी को अरेना के हतारे नंबदि यादबा अदुगा सेइदा सि थिंजल्लीजे सि मरबम जुले हेबतु ऑयल स्पॉटेड क्लीनअप प्रोग्रेस अदु आदा ममांग सि येंग उबिबा सिजे ngasi degi tha amogi mamang da hai tare adu daida akoi gi ada tu si ship acho cho le je one si ship acho cho le je kari hai na si tha ri ja Costco shipping kai na ka ko to si gi keno ji degi thau jo tarak pune na hai ba ko thau tarak ko gi akoi do na akoi thau tarak ko gi sai gi environment gi yam concern oigan ba country amo e ba ne moi je hoi akoi manipur jo environment concern akoi mayam oi nei ko ado oiraga ju kai tare moi gi je he na oi ba tare si ne hena damage to ba ne ko ado ai maram di khangdre akoi khang ba mi ja ara ga di dum hai bi ro ko hai di damage bu ji to we adu di khange adu ga kaya mo gi hamna ham to ba no na tra ga na hai di tha ma he la fo ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯐꯥꯎ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯟꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯊꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯗꯒ ꯀꯣꯛꯄꯖꯥꯠꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯨꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯕꯤꯆꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯐꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯅꯣꯡꯉꯥꯟꯕꯒꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯣ ꯍꯨꯃꯥꯡ ꯀꯩꯀꯥ ꯔꯣꯔ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯍꯧꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯃꯝꯃꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯐꯪꯉꯝꯃꯔꯣꯏꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯌꯨ 이만하면서 판매를 Bro, say something about this beach.
Lovely beach. We came here before sunrise and we were fortunate enough to have the peace and tranquil of the beach to ourselves with the beautiful and relaxing sound of the waves crashing, birds chirping after the sunrise.
And
Very peaceful place.
you heard the koel awaj?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Koel Awaj is definitely a plus on the beautiful wave sounds.
Wow. I think I never heard
Mesmerizing sounds together.
I never heard this kind
We'll
of
try
sound.
to give you the sound, guys, as a separate video for which will, I guess, act as a stress buster for you as well. You know, in daily life we handle so much stress. We'll try to bring this sound as a gift from our side for you, so that it may help reduce your stress and anxiety and may help you also meditate. Let's see.
Definitely.
We'll definitely try to bring it.
Yeah. And we will give you the actual sound only, okay? And wow. Wow. And we will not mix any music background. So may I mean view ko ID sige natural sound je
Just the tranquil peace and quiet of the beach before sunrise and post sunrise as well. Okay. Chalo guys. Now
Let's
we
go.
have to check out. We do not have time. Actually, we are way beyond the time.
Okay.
By this time, we should have been ready by after packing our bags, and we should report at the checkout lobby. But since we were exploring before the sunrise, we are yet to reach the hotel. Then we have to freshen up. Then we have to pack our bags.
Yeah. ठीक है ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯦꯛꯀꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯃꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯗꯥꯡꯕꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯥꯡ ꯈꯣꯠꯂ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯡꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯔꯨꯝꯗ ꯀꯩꯀꯥꯗ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯇꯨꯝꯗꯕꯤꯗ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯁꯅꯦ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯆꯠꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯀꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯌꯦꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯂꯝꯌꯦꯟ ꯑꯌꯣꯛꯄ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯝꯌꯦꯟ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯝꯌꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯖꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯋꯤ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯔ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯍꯣꯇꯦꯜꯗ ꯆꯪꯗ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯦꯛ ꯑꯥꯎꯠ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯀꯣ